In today's video, you will see how to achieve a glowy skin with red lips. This is a very popular and glamorous look and anyone can follow this tutorial. I customized the steps and made it easy. Especially if you have chronic shoulder or back pain, my makeup tips will help you achieve this look in spite of the chronic pain. Before the makeup, I am preparing the face with a moisturizer. Choose something according to your own skin type and use the product on your neck and lips as well. Take a corrector, and if you have dark areas like I have around my mouth or moles on your face, add a tiny bit on top of that. Tap it lightly to blend and let it set. For this look, I will be using only concealer. No foundation. Instead of going lighter or darker, use a concealer that exactly matches your skin tone. If you don't have one, mix 2 shades and match it with your skin. With a small blending brush, I am adding the concealer and blending it properly. I am not taking any excess product, just adding whatever I have left on my brush and focusing it on the middle of my face where I need some coverage. If you have a blemish-free skin, you can just straight go to the under eye area and skip the rest of the face. I am going to conceal my under eye and blend it with the same brush. Now take a lightweight setting powder. I am using Urban Decay All-Nighter powder on the T-zone of my face and the under eye area. As we are focusing on the glowy skin, try to go light-handed and use only on your oily parts of face. Next, take a brow gel of your choice. I am using Benefit Gimme Brow Plus and brushing it well into my brow hairs to make them look fuller and groomed. For the eyes, I am using Cavity Vegan Beauty Dazzle Stick Eyeshadow. You can use any liquid eyeshadow or cream eyeshadow of your choice. Liquid or cream shadows are easy to work with and they take less physical effort. I talked about it on my previous video, how to simplify your makeup routine. I will be linking the video in the description box so that you can watch it to learn more about which products to choose. I will be using my clean finger and tapping the shadow on the lid. Be mindful to keep the sparkly shadow only on the movable part of the upper eyelid. Do not cross the crease area. Are you still watching? I really hope you can find my work useful and try out this look. If you try it out, tag me on my Instagram, sifascorner, and let me know. I upload weekly videos on how to make your whole beauty routine easier, especially if you are suffering from a chronic illness. If that's something you can relate to, do subscribe and be a part of Sifa's Corner. Next, I am using a bronzing powder from MAC and using it very lightly on the crease area. It will help the eyes look not so flat. Add the same product on the lower lash line to balance the eye makeup. I am using it on the side of my forehead and the cheek area to give my face some dimension and warmth. I will not be using any blush today. This look does not require false lashes, so take any mascara of your choice and add it on your lashes. I have thin and straight lashes, so I like to use 2 different products to give them length and volume. Before doing the highlight, I am going to do my lips. I chose a demi matte lipstick from CoverGirl. It's affordable, comfortable to wear and very easy to use. You can choose any kind of red lipstick from your collection. I am using the product to build up the color and then blending it with a brush to add some shape and create a stain-like effect. Now to create a more defined edge, I am using this red lip liner and adding it around my mouth. For the glowy and healthy sheen on my skin, I am using NYX High Gloss Illuminating Powder. It's a very special gel powder formula, and depending on how you use it, you can make it wearable for everyday use and also for a blinding glossy Instagram look. I will be using my clean fingers to tap the product on the top of my cheekbones. Be careful not to smear the product, it will disrupt your face makeup. Rather, gently tap it to add and blend. I am adding a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on the inner corner of my eyes. Whatever I have left on my brush, I am adding it under my brow bones to give some lift. I am finishing off the whole look with some perfume. Whatever you are wearing, a good perfume surely can lift up your mood and make you happier. So here we are, easy glowy skin makeup with a beautiful red lip. If you liked it, show your support by hitting the like button and leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. Till my next one, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and stay with Sifa's Corner.